This is a Bushnell Voyager family tabletop telescope. It's 4.5 inch. It's a clone of the most famous Astroscan. And the felt here, I changed it for a kind of a foam, black foam, as you can see here. And it's now very stable. And it can take the weight of a binoviewer. It's the Skywatcher Barlow, cheapest one you can find. Then I put two Baader Classic Orthoscopic eyepieces, which are 10 millimeter. And because it could not come to focus, I had a Skywatcher 2X Barlow, and what I did, the end part of it I removed and attached it to the Binoviewing, so it comes to focus now easily. And now I can actually see in the Binoviewing without having a big telescope. 4.5 inch on a tabletop Astroscan clone, Edmond Scientific Astroscan clone. I can watch and observe in Binoviewing. The set I was talking about, this is the Barlow, 2x Barlow. If I had a weaker one, probably I would have used it. I have to dig for it, but I don't want that's enough. And that's the telescope. I'm using the 23mm SVBony Aspherics, and I'm watching through the window. It's amazing. The full disk of the moon is visible. The full crescent of the moon is visible, and it's such a good view. I wish that you could see this. Is there a way to show this? I'm not sure.